Yeah, Sujit?
Hello. Yeah, my name is
Sujit.
Sujit. I'm from Pune.
Yeah, you're from Pune. Okay, fine. 1 minute, Sujit. Yeah, tell me, Sujit. Hello?
Yeah, now it's I'm able to see now.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah,
So you're from Pune, right?
yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So what is your domain experience? Like you're working somewhere else?
Yeah, currently I'm working with all state insurance company in account payable team. I
Okay,
have
you are in
almost
accounting.
yeah, account
So
payable
you're
team.
account pay. Okay, fine. So is there any reason to learn in SAP? I mean, is there any requirement in your company?
No, actually it's
Oh,
not like it's a newly formed company
oh,
in Pune. Yeah.
I
So
mean, you
therefore,
are working on any particular software you are working there?
no, I'm not working in software. I'm working in accounts payable and functional part.
Okay. Controlling part?
Yeah, no, functional part actually.
Functional part. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
So
Sujit. Okay. So how
that's why I
many
learned.
years of yeah. How many years of experience you have in the accounting background? Like
It's a 4 years I do have.
4 years. Okay, fine. Okay. Sujit, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Priyanka and I'm SAP Fico consultant. And total I'm having 12 years of experience, out of which I have 7 years of experience as a FICO consultant. And I have done total 2 implementation life cycles and 2 supporting projects. Right now I'm working for Custom India Software Limited for the client Malabar Cements, which is from Kerala. Okay, and this is just a brief introduction about myself. Okay, so let us have a session. Sujit, yeah,
Yeah, sure.
yeah. Can you hear me well, right, properly?
I'm listening.
Yeah, can you hear me well, right? Okay, fine. So Sujit, I want to know that you know about what is ERP concept.
Yeah, I know it's enterprise resource planning. And
Yeah.
it's
So because I do have students like from so many angles. So some people they
yeah,
don't even about ERP. So that's the right. I'm just ask you. Okay.
yeah,
So now, okay. So let me start. Today
yeah,
I'm going to discuss about what is ERP and what is SAP and why we need SAP. Okay.
yeah, sure. Mm-hmm.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. And SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. And this is a amplification for the word SAP, and which is an ERP package or software. Okay. And in ERP concept, in short, I'll explain what is ERP concept. Already you made me knowing, right?
Yes,
In
yes.
ERP concept, we easily do the integration between the departments so that there is
Okay.
a free flow of information between the departments. Okay, so in case of non-ERP environment, it won't happen because they're using different softwares of different companies. We cannot integrate different softwares of different companies. Okay, so this is the big main difference between the ERP concept and non-ERP concept. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
I told that SAP which is an ERP product. Along with SAP, we have number of ERP products. Some of them are like Oracle, BAN, PeopleSoft. If you take Oracle, which is specialized in the department of finance. If you take BAN, it is specialized in the department of production. If you take PeopleSoft, which is specialized in the department of HR. Whereas if you take SAP, which is specialized in the all departments of the organization. Okay, I mean there is a specific software for each module. Okay, and the level of integration we have with the SAP, which is also very high when we compare with the other ERP products. So because of these two reasons, SAP becomes world #1 ERP product, and almost it is having 48% of share in the international market. so that we have a lot of employment opportunities here.
Okay.
Okay. So, and this SAP product, which has developed by SAP AG company, which is in German, it is actually German-based company, and it is established in 1972. Here, AG stands for AG, AG by AG. See, if any business it is registered in the German Act, it has to add the word of AG at the end of its name. Okay, so that is the reason SAP incorporated with the name AG. Okay, and its headquarters are like Waldorf in German. This is just a small introduction about SAP AG. So now I'll discuss about evaluation of product SAP. Okay, see this SAP product, this SAP company has developed SAP product in 1972, which is SAP Orbitis Suite. And in 1990s, it has developed SAP Orbitis Suite. And in 1990s, it has developed SAP Orbitis Suite. And the present version of SAP is SAP Orbitis Suite only. Okay, so these SAP Orbi 1 and Orbi 2, these are totally outdated. Okay, so now we are using on SAP Orbi 3 suite. Okay, what is suite and what is SAP Orbi 3 suite? I'll explain. What is suite? Suite actually in English, its meaning is the combination of objects, right? But with reference to SAP, which is combination of softwares. It means within the SAP we have number of softwares to manage the each department. Okay, so this is the reason SAP has incorporated with the word suite. Okay, and what is OR? OR refers to real-time data processing. See, this is the best example for real-time data processing is when you withdraw any amount from the ATM, within the counting of your amount, you will get the updated statement, right? This is because of real-time data processing. As SAP also using this concept, it has incorporated with the word OR. See, because of integration of all departments in the SAP, so if any goods movements happen in the material management, the system automatically posts the entries in the FI also. This is because of integration. This is nothing but real-time data processing. Okay? And what is 3? Okay, 3 here refers to 3-tier architecture. Okay. Sujit, you're okay means if you have any doubts, just ask me there itself. Okay, no issues.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Any doubts?
No. Continue.
Yeah. Okay. So 3-tier architecture. Actually, this it conveys total nature of SAP product. What is 3-tier architecture? 3-tier architecture, it refers to what is the hardware requirements we need to work with the SAP system. Not only SAP system, every ERP product, it works on the client-server technology. Here clients or servers are both are same in the hardware perspective, whereas the clients are small storage capacity, whereas servers are large storage capacity. Okay, under 3-tier architecture we maintain 3 servers in the real time. Okay, first is database server, and the second one is application server, and the third one is client server. Okay, coming to database server. In this server, we store the database of the company. What is database? Database, it contains whatever transaction happens, incurred, it will be posted by the end user. Everything it will be stored in the database, right? And this is called database server. Where there is a database, there is question of who manages the database. As we are into functional side, we don't aware of database management. So there are some professionals available like database administrators, database professionals are available. And we have some tools also available to manage the database like SQL, Oracle, So depending on the capacity of the organization, you can go for any of the tools. Okay, so this is about database server. Okay, and next server, which is application server. Application server, here we store the SAP software which is necessary to process the transactions of the company. Okay,
Okay.
and here we have application server 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, why we have to have number of application servers? Suppose if you have only one application server, the employee in the organization, every employee in the organization, they will log on, they will work on the only application server 1. So what will happen? The processing load will be very high on that particular application server. So we waste our time. That is the reason it is better to have optimum number of application servers. How many application servers? It depends on the capacity of the organization. Okay, so this is about application server. And coming to client server. Client servers are, these are nothing but the laptops or desktops which can be used by the end user from in the organization. Okay, so these client server, it will be access the application servers. Okay, so as we are having 3 servers, it is named as 3-tier architecture. And the main advantage of 3-tier architecture is we can decrease or increase or decrease any layer without disturbing the other one. See, for example, today we recruit 5 employees in the organization. Okay, and we have given them 5 laptops or desktops. So in this case, we can accommodate them either application server 1 or 2 or 3. So again, we need not increase any layer. Okay, so this is the advantage of 3-tier architecture. Okay, and in case of, I told you that we have R by 2 and R by 1. Okay, so in case of 2-tier architecture, the database and application both will be stored in the only one server. Okay, and the clients will be stored in the one server. Okay, so as it is having 2 servers, it named as 2-tier architecture. And in case of one-tier architecture, the database and the application server and the client server, both it will be stored in the one server. So that it named as one-tier architecture. And one-tier architecture and 2-tier architecture, these are totally outdated. Okay. So this is clear about 3-tier architecture, Sujit?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So next, I tell about what are the modules we are having in SAP RB3 system. And we have the functional modules and we have the technical modules. In case of technical modules, we have ABAP and BASIS. ABAP, if you won't learn ABAP, we should have the programming knowledge. Okay? And in case of BASIS, if you won't learn, we should have some networking knowledge. Okay? But if you won't learn any of the functional modules, which is enough if you have any academic knowledge idea, or if you have any domain experience in the related, which is enough. And in the functional module, we have the number of modules like FICO, material management, sales and distribution, and production planning. So like this, we have number of functional modules. And here, each software which is fully developed software. Okay, and each software we can use to manage the one department in the organization. Okay, so I mean to manage the different departments in the organization, we have different softwares in the SAP system. That is the reason we can easily integrate the departments in the case of SAP. This not happen in the case of non-ERP environment. Okay, so now you know what is SAP and right. So now I discuss SAP methodology. And this is very most important thing to discuss. And what is SAP methodology? See, implementation of SAP project, which is very easy to discuss, but it involves a lot of complexity and cost also. So everything should be properly planned and documented. This document, which is called SAP methodology, and this SAP methodology, it works like a roadmap to the consultant. Okay, so in the implementation of SAP project. Okay, while preparing this SAP methodology, we have to, as a consultant, we have to meet the core team members. Okay, core team members are who? These are the person from the client place who have thorough knowledge on the existing business process of the client. Okay, so we sit together with the core team members and then we do work on the SAP methodology document. And while preparing this document, we have the following 5 phases. We have to execute it sequentially. And the first one is project preparation. And in this project preparation phase, we have to define the activities like what is the project budget and what are the project resources. Project resources in the sense, what is the human resources and what are the hardware requirements we need. What is the landscape we are going to adapt in the new environment. So all these activities we should define in the project preparation. And these activities, it should be approved in the kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting, which means it is the starting point of implementation of SAP project. Okay, so at the time of kickoff meeting, every one, like core team members as well as consultants, they should have thorough knowledge on the scope of the document. Okay, this is project preparation. And the second one is business blueprint. Business blueprint, it is actually, it is the design document for the future R/3 system. Here we have to define 2 documents, like as is document and to be document. As is document means here we have to define what is the existing roles of the client, what are the reports they are creating, I mean what are the reports they are maintaining, what are the forms they are using. Okay, and we should analyze those reports from where and how they are going. So all this we should define in the as is document. And based on as is document, we have to prepare the to be document. To be document means what the user is expecting in the SAP new environment and what is his requirement. We have to prepare in the to be document. Okay, so this is business blueprint. Once business blueprint is prepared, then we go for realization. This realization means here we do the configuration. Configuration means settings. In general, we know the settings, right? While we are configuring the system, we have 3 servers in the live environment, like development server and quality server and production server. Okay, and in some companies they'll create only 2 servers, like development server and production server. This quality server is optional. Okay, first we do the configuration according to the client requirement in the development server. Okay, once we do the configuration, all these configuration settings, it will be moved to the quality server. Here in the quality server, we do the testing on the configuration settings what we have done. This testing here, it will be done by either consultants or the core team members from the client place. It depends on the requirement. Okay, and once the testing is okay in the quality server, then these settings, it will be moved to the production server. Okay, so what is production server? It is nothing but here the end user will make the posting on the production server, right? So while we are moving configuration settings from one server to another server, we have to create the transport request, which means this transport request, it will be created by the basis consultant. Okay, this it will be taken care of by basis consultant. So by by using this transport request, we can see at any time what are the configuration settings we have done. We can see at any time. Okay. So this is about, in this way we do the configuration in the realization phase. Okay. And next, final preparation. Final preparation, here as a consultant we have to conduct some end user programs. Like we have to conduct like some seminars or workshops. We have to take the end user programs. And here we have to define some cutover activities. Cutover activities means we should ensure that whether all settings are moved to the production server or not, whether the proper authorization has given to the end user or not, and till go live the project, no end user should make the posting on the production server. Okay, so these are the activities we should define in the final preparation phase. And go live and support. What is go live? I mean, go live means which is the date, from this date the end user ready to use the production server. Okay, and what is support? After implementation of SAP project, as a consultant we have to give them support. How long we have to give them support? It depends on the agreement between the client and the company. Okay, this is ASAP methodology. Okay, and now I discuss some more SAP terminologies we can use in the real-time environment. Okay, tracking system. What is tracking system? Tracking system means handling the tickets. Tickets in the sense, say whenever the end user working on the production server, he will get some issues or bugs. These we can call it as tickets in SAP. Okay, and handling this ticket, it is called tracking system. How we can track these handles? How we can handle these tickets? See, and this ticket we can categorize as high, medium, low. See, in case of high priority tickets, without solving those issues, the end user, he may not, he does not make any posting. Okay, and in case of medium priority tickets, he can make the posting. Even the error is there, he can make the posting. In case of low tickets, even the issue are there, it does not affect any production server. Okay, so depending on the priority of the tickets, as a consultant, we have to solve those issues. Okay, and whenever the end user will get any tickets or issue, first he will email to the support consultant. Or some companies, they follow some tools to maintain the tickets. Okay, once we get the tickets from the end user, as a support consultant, first we should send him IR. IR means initial response. Okay, then we should work on in solving those issues. Suppose if is there any configuration is needed, again we have to do the configuration in the development server. Okay, then if configuration is done and the ticket is also solved in the development server, then these settings, it will be moved to the production server. Okay, and after that we should inform to the end user what are the settings we have done in the production server. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the issues or tickets. Okay, and we have to know about configuration and customization. Configuration in general we know making some settings. Okay, I mean mapping the user requirement with the SAP standards, which is configuration. And customization, it is different from configuration. Suppose if the client requirements does not match with the SAP standards, then we have to modify the SAP system, or we have to develop some programs, which is called customization. In simple, we are modifying the SAP system. Okay. And development programs, it will be done by the ABAP. As APAPer, he doesn't know about the functionality of the client. So as a functional consultant, we should explain him about the functionality of the client, and we should provide him the required fields and what are the reports they are following. Every information we should give him. Okay, so this is configuration and customization. Okay, and what is end-to-end implementation? What is rollout project? And I told you in SAP methodology we have 5 phases, right? Hello?
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah, we have 5 phases, right? So end-to-end implementation means we do the SAP project from first phase to last phase, which is end-to-end implementation. Whereas in case of rollout project, when it comes into picture is already we have done implementation in the client phase. Say for example, we implement the SAP for one company, and this company acquires or purchase one more company. So in this case, we have to do the rollout for the second company. Okay, and in case of multinational companies, it has number of branches or factories in different countries. So in this case, what we do the configuration at globally. Globally means we do the configuration for all requirements first. Then this global implementation we can use as a template, and these settings will be copied from one company to another company. Then we do the necessary settings for the remaining companies depending on the country specific. Okay, this is rollout project. And we have tables in case of SAP. Tables means whatever we save the data, it will be stored in the tables. Okay, suppose sometimes even we save the data in the front end, it will not save in the tables. It will happen in rare case. So in this case, we have to work on the tables. Okay, and now coming to organization structure in FI. See, normally we have group. First, I am telling about normally what we have to create the group. So first we have group. Under that we create the company. In normal system I am telling her. And under that we have units. It may be any business units. Normal, this is the organized structure. Everyone will follow. And in case of SAP, this group we can create it as company. Okay. And this company we can create it as company codes. Okay, and these business units we can create it as segments. Say for example, we have Pennard group. It's created under company level. And in case suppose this Pennard group, it is having Pennard Mills Limited and Pennard Industries Limited. It is into 2 products. So these we can create it as company codes. And this Pennard Mills Limited, it has locations like Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pennard Industry also locations like Hyderabad, Bangalore. So these we can create it as segments. Okay. Again, in Hyderabad location, this first company code, it is having Hyderabad and Bangalore locations, right? And in Hyderabad, it is producing wool product and silk product. And in Bangalore also, it is producing wool product and silk. And in case of company code 2, it is Industry Limited. It has producing steel and cement in the Hyderabad unit. And it is producing steel and cement products in the Bangalore. So these products, whatever we have, we can create it as profit centers in the SAP system. Okay. The main purpose of creating profit centers are we can easily find out the profit product wise profitability.
Okay.
Okay, and here these while we are creating these profit centers, we assign the segments.
Okay.
Okay, see at the time of posting we should give the profit center. So system automatically update the segments level also.
Okay.
Okay, this is FI organization structure. Okay, so what we have, like first company, company codes and segments and profit centers. This is FI organization structure. Whereas in case of CO organization structure, we have controlling area. And under that we have cost centers. Cost centers are nothing but the departments like the production department or service department. So those we can create it as cost centers. Okay, and this controlling area we can create at company level or company code level. We have two scenarios. Suppose in company we have two company codes, and these two company codes activities are not same. I mean they are into different products. So in this case, for each company code we have to create the controlling area.
Okay.
Suppose these company codes activities are same. In this case, we can create the controlling area at company level. Okay. See, what is the purpose of if you create any settings at company? Okay. Suppose you create some settings at company level. These company whatever we have, company code 1 and company code 2. These two company codes, it can be used the settings if you do the configuration at company code level. Suppose if you do the configuration at company code level, that particular company code only it can be used. Normally, we do the configuration at company level for customer master and vendor master for assetting master. We can do settings for those at company level. For the remaining things, we do at company code level. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes.
company
Yeah.
code might be different, depend upon the subsidiary company. Like
Your voice is too low. Yeah, Sujit, your voice is low. Yeah, tell me.
company code might be different.
Yes.
Suppose if a company, premier company has a two subsidiary company, both company will have a different company code. Like if company 1 has 010 company code, then another company code can be 021.
I didn't get you. I mean, what you're asking? If we
Talking
have,
about the company code actually.
yeah, company code, yeah.
So
Voice is breaking, yeah.
company code might be different.
Yes.
It can't be the same company code for the like a Premier Mills Limited and Premium Industries.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yes.
So company code might be different.
Yes, it will be different. Suppose it is into cloth business, it is into industry.
Yeah.
So I mean these two products are different. Okay, and in this case we do the configuration at company code level because these two products are different.
Okay.
Okay, suppose if the activities are same, like in case of some customers and vendors, they are common for these two company codes. For those settings we do at company level, so that these two company codes can be used. Okay, suppose if tax procedure is different from one company code to another company, so in this case we do the settings at company code level.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
And here, coming to CO organization structure, I told you that we can create controlling area at company level or company code level. Right?
Okay.
This is clear? Any doubts here?
No.
Okay. And I told while we are creating cost centers, we have to assign the profit centers.
Okay.
So that what will happen whenever is there any cost incurred to the cost centers, through these profit centers, system automatically update the FI module. This is the link between the FI and C. Okay, and if you see here, this controlling area, it is physically does not exist like a company code. Because we are just creating controlling area for internal reporting purpose. to get the cost of different cost centers. We are just creating controlling area.
Okay.
Okay. And coming to MM and SD integration. See, suppose in our organization, MM and SD modules are implemented. In this case, we have to participate in the integration of MM and SD module. As a
Okay.
FICO consultant, we should. Okay. So, actually, as a consultant, as a FICO consultant, we have to create the GL accounts, which is
Okay.
required by the MM consultant and SD consultant. And there we do the necessary GL, assign the GL accounts for the purpose of automatic entry work.
Okay.
Okay, say it means suppose if by doing this integration, by doing assigning these GL accounts, if any goods movements happen in the MM and this has any account affectable, though, so the system automatically posts the entries in the FI model. The end user need not make any posting manually. This is
Okay.
because of integration. Okay. So apart from our course, I can discuss FI and MM integration and FI and ST integration also. Okay. So coming to our course content, so in case of financial accounting, I can cover GL accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and asset accounting. And I can work on cost element, cost centers accounting, and internal orders, profitability analysis, and product costing also. And apart from that, FI and FI with MM, FI with SD integration, we can discuss some closing procedure and some uploading of master data. I can discuss it. Okay, Sujit. Any doubts, Sujit?
Yeah, actually, I want to know about this. Suppose if I am completing this course,
Yeah.
so what will the probability of, I mean to say, I am not getting that SAP certificate. So what will the probability of getting job? Because I'm not in that field, in FICO field. So can you
Yeah.
explain me?
Yeah. See, it always depend on you. I always tell you that actually you have the sound knowledge on the accounting background, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you can easily grasp the SAP concept.
Okay.
Okay, that is there. And you do practice well. So
Okay.
minimum two hours is enough. If I attend today's class, you do today itself, that is enough.
Okay.
So coming to interview, you should, of course, everyone they are putting fake experience. That is there. Even you
Yeah.
keep the, even the person who take interview, even he knows that you are the fake candidate. But
Okay.
if you are thorough on SAP subject, he will give you job. I am sure.
Okay.
Because I am the best example for that one. Yeah, because 8 years back.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so eight
Okay.
years back. Yeah, I have put 3 years of experience.
Okay.
So actually the person he just asked me, I'll give you a job you can work on. You have thorough knowledge on SAP, I'll provide you a job. He just asked me like that. Is it?
Okay.
Okay. So for all my students, I always tell one thing. Just do practice on thorough, means do practice and get the data from the net also. Because when I was searching job, it was like 8 years back. That time we don't have like net facility nowadays. Like we can access now from mobile itself, right? So
Okay.
by net also we have one scn.sap, that is one forum is there. There we can solve our
Okay.
issues very easily.
Okay.
Okay, since till now I trained for 50 students. So almost 35 students are they got the job.
Uh,
Okay,
that's great.
so yeah,
That's good actually. They are placed.
yeah,
They got opportunity.
Yeah, because it is like, see, I tell you one thing. After completion of course also, I'll guide you everything. How you have to handle
Okay,
the
okay,
interviews. What is the real time
okay.
issues? I'll work on, because whatever I faced in my real time. So I
Yeah.
explain. I'll prepare those. I'll share with you those document also.
Okay.
Okay. So in terms of, I'll very friendly nature, because in providing the documents and everything.
Yeah,
This.
that will be again great because the thing is that there is lots of demand of people who many people have completed their SAP certified that
Yeah.
certification, but then also they are not getting job in the market.
You see, getting certification nowadays, it is like, instead of one person, the other person is now, they are writing exams. You might be knowing, you don't know?
Yes.
Yeah. We can get fake SAP certificate also. See,
Yeah.
yeah, you just forget about certification. Nobody will ask certification. The person who, if you
Okay.
ask certification, they don't look at the subject, because they are actually not requirement there.
Okay.
You,
Okay. And
you
what
are
about this
yeah,
experience? From where I'll get that like experience and all?
yeah.
Because I don't have that SAP Fico experience. So from where
See,
also.
I tell you one thing, Sujit, you just whatever you have done in the practice, and I tell you, you work on some real-time issues, whatever I provide. You just do whatever real-time issues you have done in the classroom, you just explain him. I've done this one
Okay.
in my client place. So all my students, they do like that only.
Okay. Okay.
See, I mean, why you're getting
Okay.
scared? See, in Hyderabad, like the people, like they'll take challenge in getting fake certificate and in attending the class also. I mean, in attending the interviews also.
Okay.
Don't,
So
first you just leave your fear,
okay.
because some my students are there, they don't have any domain knowledge. Even they don't have domain knowledge, they'll get job.
Okay.
Because you're having enough accounting background knowledge. You're having work
Yeah. I
experience.
currently I'm working in SAP only on accounts payable part, and
Oh,
yeah,
oh, okay.
I
You're an end user, right? SAP end user.
yeah, I'm a SAP manager. Actually, I know about something about like a profit center, cost center, that order number, that PO. I know. I have still day to day. I'm
See,
working
come
that.
on, yeah. Why you're getting scared? You have, so whatever issues you have in your environment, right? So those you can
Yeah.
explain. See,
Okay.
come on, you
But
have already some knowledge about SAP environment. But
yeah,
of
that's
course,
the
you don't
problem.
have knowledge about, yeah.
Yeah, because the thing is that that's why I was thinking that how I should go. I mean, to say that if I'll just completing this course also,
Yeah.
I've done a lot of research from the Google. So
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
thinking
okay.
that how I'll get a job in the market. People, and I have read the many blogs also, and I found
Yes.
that like there should be certification. Otherwise, then they will not hire
No,
from.
no, no. Don't believe in certification, Sujit. I always tell you. Don't waste your time and money also.
Yeah, that's the
Really.
problem because if I'm going with a SAP partner institution, it will take it's so costly and it's so very expensive because it's like a 3 lakh, 2 lakh 67,000. I'm not
Yeah,
able to
yeah, yeah.
afford that.
There is no point in getting certification. There is not at all point.
Exactly.
And I think that I'm really surprised why you're getting scared. Already you have the environment of SAP, right?
Yeah.
So you have environment of SAP. So you
Then
don't
if
scare.
suppose if I'm gonna show the experience, so from where I'll get that experience. My previous organization, I'll show that I'm working with my. Suppose if I have an experience of 4 years, I'll show that
Yeah.
I'm working as a consultant or something like that.
Yeah, you see, put first you have total 4 years of experience, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that you put 3 years of experience in the SAP and 1 year you put your domain experience. So in this 3 years experience, you just put in some software company. See, in Hyderabad, we have so many consultants are there. They are providing certification for you. Experience
Okay.
certificate they will provide you. If you want,
Okay.
I will do let you know that one also. Okay.
Yeah, because the thing is that they'll do background verification if also some other company's name, and if
Yeah, yeah.
they so that student again
See,
I should got
see
in the background.
nowadays, Sujit, you are getting scared a lot. See, if really, see how my students like they are getting. See, so nowadays, there's some companies like Accenture, they do verification. Not all companies. Not all
Yeah, because
companies. Yeah,
I,
yeah.
I yeah, I do have a I have this is my third company. I started my career with ADP. That
Okay,
time also they did a very good verification, and
okay,
then after I joined Homeward, Talkwin. That
okay.
that was again that company did a very good verification, and now I'm currently working
See,
with.
it is not in all companies. It depends. It's not
Okay,
all companies. You don't get scared. Okay, suppose it's not like that. So
okay,
because all my students, they are putting fake experience and they're getting job. Just little bit care. That's it. You should take a little bit care. That's it. No need to scare. Of course, there should be some scare there. So, but what I'm suggest you is, she's very good if you learn SAP because your work experience it will be added to you.
okay.
Okay. So, of course, I mean, in which sub-module you are working?
Uh, I'm working in accounts payable.
Accounts payable. Okay. So, in each version you are using ECC 6.0?
Yeah, 610. Yeah.
ECC.
But
Any upgradation?
no, I don't have that much deeper knowledge about that. Generally, I see that there is SAP and I deal with the
Yeah, yeah.
invoices. Yeah.
I mean, you
What?
have limited access. Yes, you
Yeah.
have limited.
What PRD financial planning like PRD financial year. I just go to that in SAP. I just pull the invoices. I see that
Okay. Who,
there's
I mean, for who are giving support for to the client now in your
uh,
organization?
there's a Infosys actually.
Infosys. Okay, okay,
Yeah, Infosys is giving.
okay, okay. Fine.
So I don't have that much access. So generally, I just go to the basic
Yeah,
data
yeah,
line.
sure. The end user, actually the SPRO screen, the end user will not get. You have only limited access, like two or three,
Yeah,
mostly five, six or screens, you'll get
yeah,
access. Yes.
exactly. So,
So for each submodule, the end user will give the access. It is like submodule. Yes, yes. So,
so
Sujit,
what was the
yeah,
duration of this training?
yeah.
Training durations
Duration, it will take 2 months, minimum
2 months.
45 to 50 hours. 50 hours. Mean daily
Okay,
I take, initially I take 1 hour class. So once you are
1 hour.
get familiar with the SAP screens, I will take 1.5 hours.
So
So,
I'm going to say that what time you will be free. I'm going to say that your job timing and all because I'm doing night shift.
oh, night shift. Okay, okay. So
Yeah,
night shift. Okay. So what is your convenient time? You do let me know first.
sure, sure. Because it shouldn't hamper to you also because you are giving training, and I should also get a time. So that shouldn't be again problem. So we'll manage
Hello.
that.
Hello.
Anyway, it was nice. Let's see what will happen in the future. I start the training very soon. I'll talk to that.
Hello. Your voice is
Is that
breaking, Sujit.
okay? Okay. Are you
Yeah.
listening? It's audible to you?
Yeah, yeah. Now it is okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So it was nice.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
Sujit.
I'll
Okay,
talk to
Sujit.
that. Sure. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Bye bye.